How to hide your gender from timeline on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to hide your gender from timeline on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings. And then go down again. Here you will find profile information, and now go down. Here you will find this one, your gender. Click this pin here and just turn it off and save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.